Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Accord door with a physical key. First, take your key and insert it fully into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Once the key is completely in, turn it clockwise about 90 degrees. You should feel a slight click as the lock mechanism engages. After unlocking, simply pull the exterior door handle to open your door. This method is reliable, especially if your car battery is dead. Sometimes, the lock might be a bit stiff. If your key doesn't turn easily, try wiggling it gently while applying consistent turning pressure. Remember, if your car's battery is dead, your remote key fob won't work, making the physical key essential for entry. Always double-check that you are using the correct key for your Honda Accord to avoid any issues or damage to the lock. Even if you primarily use a key fob, it's important to know that many Honda Accord fobs contain a hidden physical key. Look for a small release button or switch on the side or back of your fob. Pressing this will allow you to slide out the traditional metal key. This hidden key is your backup, especially if your fob's internal battery runs out of power, leaving you unable to remotely unlock your car. For peace of mind, always ensure your physical key is readily accessible, not just tucked away. It's a good practice to lubricate your door lock cylinder once a year with a small amount of graphite lubricant to keep it operating smoothly. Also, periodically using your physical key, even if you mostly use the fob, helps prevent the lock mechanism from becoming stiff or seizing up over time. Stay prepared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.